for free, $0. As you can see, payment successful, unlimited likes on the video. It's me, Game Tracker, and today I'm going to show you how to use Freedom APK to mod your favorite Android games. This app will allow you to get in-app purchases for free in your favorite games, and according to Google and Bing, still one of the great game cheating apps for Android out there, alongside of course HackerBot APK. All the links for Freedom APK, the tutorials, and HackerBot APK in the description down below. Leave a like while you're there and subscribe to the channel. So Freedom APK at this point will require you to downgrade your Google Play Store app in order to work correctly. You're going to need to install the version 8.026 or version 8.023, one of those around there. And the way you do that is to go into your LuckyPatcher, links down below in the description, go to Patch Android under Tools, and then disable the Signature Verification Package Manager. You would need to apply that, which will then allow you to uninstall the updates on your Google Play Store or install an old version of Google Play Store, which is required to make Freedom APK work these days. After that, you're going to need a root and you will be able to launch Freedom APK, and it's kind of a launcher that allows you to launch your apps. And if you launch your game app through the Freedom APK launcher, you will be able to get free in-app purchases in your favorite games. However, there is a better method available these days to do that. I'm just going to demonstrate though by showing you this video where the guy actually does this. He launched the apps through the Freedom APK, and then he's able to get free in-app purchases easily in his game. However, again, there are better ways of doing this, and the better way and more compatible with all Android devices is simply using LuckyPatcher. There's going to be a link to the tutorial on how to use LuckyPatcher to get free in-app purchases and patch your favorite game apps down below. It's simply a better way. Freedom APK is an old app that hasn't been updated in a long time. Now in Google, you'll still find it as one of the top game cheating apps out there, but it is indeed actually outdated, and it is just the top lists haven't really updated to include those changes, so it's still listed among the top apps out there. But LuckyPatcher does what Freedom APK does much easier. You don't necessarily need a root if you create a modified APK. With Freedom APK, you're going to have a long installation process. You're going to have to downgrade your Play Store to version 8.026 or 8.023, which is going to be a lot of hassle for most of you. And then it's still a toss-up whether it's going to work or isn't going to work. But if you go through the whole trouble of doing that, you're still going to be able to get free in-app purchases, as in the video I am showing you right here. You're going to be able to buy stuff from the shops for free, $0. As you can see, payment successful, unlimited likes on the video. But in general, using LuckyPatcher is just going to be a lot easier, a lot more convenient, and it's going to be compatible with a lot more devices. You're going to be less frustrated. Now, this might change in the future if the creators of Freedom APK decide to update the app to a more current state where it's more compatible with modern Android devices and emulators, but I am very, very pessimistic about the prospects of that ever happening at this point. So I recommend you check out LuckyPatcher in the link below. And for all your game cheating needs, of course, use hackerbot.net. Simply go to hackerbot.net by simply Googling game hacks or HackerBot. Go to hackerbot.net, go to get hacks, go to our hack finder tool, enter the name of your game, the kind of cheat you're looking for, Android, iOS, PC, everything's possible, and then ideally the current version number of your game so that you find non-outdated cheats, search for it, and download the latest and best working mods for your Android games easily and conveniently from safe sources that have proven to be legitimate for many, many years. Simply Google HackerBot APK and download it from our official download at hackerbot.net. And as for Freedom APK, LuckyPatcher is simply a better method, and again, it works without a root. You simply need to follow the tutorial down below, the no root version, and it will allow you to create a modified APK instead of modifying apps directly or emulating free in-app purchases directly. it will create a modified APK file that you can uninstall your original game, reinstall the modified APK, and still get free in-app purchases without a rooted Android device required. Or if you want to root your device and make LuckyPatcher easier, you can simply use an emulator with an easy root function, such as for example Nox that I'm using, to use the functions of LuckyPatcher that require a root without any root on your device. Anyways, that's it about Freedom APK. You're better off using HackerBot APK or LuckyPatcher. You'll find all the links down below in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.